Hello, everybody. I am Gretchen, half Filipina, half Belgian, born in Belgium, but I have more Filipino connection than I thought. We have Emily here. I met, I encountered with her during while I was giving a mediumship reading to her, and it's my pleasure to have this conversation with her. Can you introduce yourself a little bit, Emily?
Yes. Yes. We just met with Gretchen, and I've been a psychic for a long time, maybe 20 years or more. Like I'm a child psychic. Um, so for me, I still continue studying with science and medicine to complement my inborn ability in seeing visions in the future. And I was born and raised in the Philippines, but I migrated in the United States past 10 years ago because I have married an American. But my gift of my third eye or my sixth sense
Mhm.
continued, and I'm making I met with a lot of psychics before, a Filipino that was, the late Jade Martin, and now with Gretchen in Belgium. They're connecting with each other, and then visions, and she's also trained as a psychic
Yeah,
medium. So what
yeah.
we have seen so far about the Philippines, because we are all concerned about the Philippines because
Hmm.
she has Filipino blood, and I was
Yeah.
born there. So even though as a doctor, I tried to help the Filipinos for medical mission and everything, although
Hmm.
I went to the United States for the purpose of, lifting my career and
Hmm.
financial. But since the problem right now really affected us all, even the
Hmm.
overseas Filipino workers, we
Yeah.
have family there in the Philippines, is that I also have, as a psychic, I also have my vision.
Hmm.
So I shared this to the Gretchen about my
Yeah.
vision about in the Philippines, and she said,
Yeah.
"Wow, what uh, what a coincidence! Like
Yeah.
we're sharing each other." So I said, our purpose is different. You
Yeah.
know, our
Yeah.
purpose is a calling,
Yeah.
a deep calling for humanity.
Of
Because
course.
we're not here for religion. We're not,
No.
even though we pray, we believe in
Yeah.
God and all of that. Our belief is a calling for
Yeah.
action. So
Exactly.
we have seen Gretchen going back and then helping others with other bloggers, and
Yeah.
giving some food
Yeah. Donations.
donations.
Yeah.
And for me, I have been doing it.
Yeah.
When I was there in the Philippines, I did medical mission,
Yeah. Yeah.
helping our poor Filipino brothers and
Hmm.
sisters. So in so sad that what
Yeah.
happened
Yeah.
right now.
You know.
So
You
in the
know.
Philippines.
I am just happy that I have encountered you because I recently have been going through a third awakening,
Mm-hmm.
and which means now is my inner Filipino energy is rising.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I told you this, right? And I'm just
Mm-hmm.
so grateful for you because you have given me the space to have this figured out by myself, even though you
Mm-hmm.
already knew what I was going through. And it's
Mm-hmm.
very very, yeah, it's not a coincidence because we see the same numbers.
Mm-hmm.
We are in alignment with our energy.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and yeah, I think faith has brought us together to
Uh-huh.
collaborate on this,
Mm-hmm.
and lately I also think I'm not just feeling what's going on in the Philippines. I feel I am meant to be like a lighthouse. I have to stay steady and capture the emotions what the people there are feeling, allow them
Mm-hmm.
to flow through me, but I can't, like I cannot absorb them in my own energy. I have to release them.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm getting.
Uh-huh. So the purpose of us is we are connecting with each other,
Mm-hmm.
because we have a higher mission, a
Yeah,
high calling to help the people.
yeah.
Because I know when I was a child, I have already a vision at 3 years old. Like
Mm-hmm.
my eyes, my third eye already open.
Mm-hmm.
So I can see, spiritual, you know, like a goddess, like
Yeah,
in the Philippines, Diwata. They call it Diwata.
yeah,
So there's
exactly.
like I'm the chosen one.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why when I'm recalling as a child, and
Yeah,
she asked me what you want when you grow up. I said, oh, to help the people.
yeah,
I guess that's a reason why I was like saying until now I become a doctor,
yeah,
and then I would say I will help the Filipino people
yeah,
because the connection with the forest, with the
yeah.
climate, with the earth is really very strong with me. So I will not
Yeah,
say anything about religion of the higher calling, but of course we're Catholic. We're
yeah,
Me and Gretchen, we believe
yeah,
in Catholicism.
yeah,
So, but you know what I mean to say, we have a higher calling, spiritual
yeah,
calling for going back and helping the people,
yeah.
especially the Filipinos. And you
Mm-hmm.
know why we have visions? It is just to give, awakening to the
A
Filipinos,
warning. Yeah,
a warning signs that so that the things that will come, they
yeah,
can be, get out from the danger.
yes. To help people,
Help.
not
So
to cause. Yeah,
yes. So this is not really for other calling, but a really
no,
spiritual calling. So
yeah.
we have already have, you know, meeting before
Mm-hmm.
or right before November when it
Yeah,
all started, all these earthquakes
yeah.
and
October, di ba? Yeah,
mm, and then
October.
we say the end of the year is there are massive, you
Yeah,
know,
changes,
in
changes.
climate, because I'm also teaching now earth science. So
Yeah.
having the masters science, technology, engineering, math, and going to
Mm-hmm.
environmental science and public health, that's the reason why I'm also in educating people
Yeah,
about the mother earth and the climate change.
exactly.
So when I saw the vision that in the Philippines that there will be the big one really will come.
Yeah,
So sometimes I said like a flood. When I
yeah,
was young, I always say that the Philippines there will be a deluge.
yeah,
Because like I can see um in the Philippines because I was raised there. So I
yeah,
know the albularia. So albularia talaga ako. So
yeah,
when I connect with the spirit of the forest, the Diwata will say, "Oh,
mm-hmm.
there will be flood. There will be flood."
Yeah,
And I don't know when that there will
yeah,
be coming big flood in the Philippines, and
mm-hmm.
all of that will sink in water, all the islands, and
Yeah,
only few mountains will the tallest one will stand.
yeah,
So because of the people
mm-hmm.
who's doing that, that also already I have seen when I
Yeah,
was just small. So
yeah,
in Isipo, it was when I was small. So
yeah,
I think the illegal loggings are
yeah,
already
yeah.
they already doing that forest. So
And yeah,
so now is the time now na
yeah,
ubos na ang pasensya.
yeah,
The time of the
exactly.
you have to pay back.
Yeah,
So,
exactly. And when you started to share your visions,
mhm.
of course, I got a little bit scared. But I
Oh,
knew, my soul knew, deep down that it was true, but it kept denying it because I didn't want those things to happen. Syempre,
Uh-huh.
we don't want these things to come in
Uh-huh.
existence. But
Uh-huh.
like you said, we are here to warn the people, to help them instead
Uh-huh.
of like scaring them, causing them panic
Mhm.
attacks or stress.
Yeah.
So
So I have a lot of friends who also ask me for psychic advice. I said, do not go home right now because of the
yeah,
situation in the last, and then they are thankful because they can see
yeah,
what happened in
it's
Cebu
happening now. Yeah,
and Mindanao, in Davao, and all of the
yeah,
earthquakes.
exactly.
Before the earthquakes came, I already warned Gretchen about, all of this
Yeah,
Lindol, and then she was shocked.
yeah, I
And
started and I started to awaken because I got dizzy. I couldn't ground myself for days. And then a few days later, those earthquakes happened. And then I was like, oh no, Emily was right. And then I started my soul. I knew that she was, yeah, that she was speaking the truth. There's no denying about that.
mm, and then it's unbelievable.
Yeah,
After that, and I said there will be coming deluge or a
yeah,
flooding. As I said,
yeah.
I draw something like
Tsunami,
I think
maybe.
tsunami, yeah.
Yeah,
And I really saw, because that third eye, sometimes when you develop it,
yeah,
you have to see, you use your it before the you close your eyes and it will come
yeah,
before you sleep, because that is the wave, like a theta wave
yeah,
that we will learn science. So that
yeah.
vision came na the bridge,
Mm-hmm.
broke and the water get, and then it came out the typhoon Tino
Yeah,
again, has done a lot of
yeah. The storm
healing
surges. Yeah, the storm
in
surges. Like the water, the floods.
Cebu
Yeah,
again. And the reason na hindi siguro na alam ng mga psychic mag-explain, kasi wala silang knowledge in science. They have no
mm-hmm.
knowledge.
Mm-hmm. No.
Like for example, we will say,
Yeah,
pangalanan na natin. There are psychic will say like Rudy Baldwin, but she doesn't know
yeah.
when the volcanoes erupt. She will
No,
say
she
another
doesn't.
volcano will come out.
Yeah,
And sometimes maybe she researched, but you know what? If you do the Google research and you really have not
yeah,
studied the science, you can explain it.
yeah.
Because science are all explanation that the molten
Exactly.
lava that came from the
Yeah.
volcano will go again,
Mm-hmm.
will make it
Yeah,
into a landform and another island, because
yeah,
we are all surrounded, that the volcano is surrounded. So I
yeah,
also predicted two volcanoes will erupt, the
yeah.
Calnaon and the Taal. So
Yes.
I told that to Gretchen, and it
Yeah,
really happened.
yeah. And the
Right
days
on that
prior,
time, the October, what is it?
yeah, October
Yeah.
24th. And the days prior,
Okay.
I felt a stomach ache. I felt something like not exploding, but it felt like something wanting to burst out. And then a couple of days later, it happened.
Uh-huh. So another one is after this deluge, and we are
Yeah,
expecting another typhoon will go into the Philippines, but the another vision that I have seen is the really big one. So they
yeah.
asked me, what can you explain about the big one before it happened? I would tell
Mm-hmm.
you, all of this deluge or flooding is just not the worst,
No, it's just
because
the
the
beginning.
worst is yet to come. Hindi ko tinatakot ang mga tao. The worst is
No,
yet to come. So there will be a earthquake together with tsunami
yeah,
and maybe flood.
yeah,
Low mag ano yan. So if there is a typhoon above all of it, they will be mixed up. So
yeah.
mixture ng lahat. Why?
A mix of everything. Yeah.
And later on, people would realize kalbo na pala ang kagubatan. So the
Mm-hmm.
the forest has no more roots of the trees that will go into, absorb it. So, and
No.
then they're constantly mining it,
Yeah.
disturbing the core of the earth.
Yeah.
Parang yung mga tectonic plates nagmo-move sa mining. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So, all of that were shaking down there. You don't know after the volcano
Yeah.
erupted that the earthquake is continued down there.
Yeah. Yeah.
It cannot be seen but down there. All
It's
the
down.
volcanoes,
Yeah.
there are
Yeah.
volcanoes down there and the
The ring
earthquake.
of fire. Yeah.
And you know where the source of the water comes from? It's under the earth. It's
Underneath.
not
Yeah.
just in the ocean and
Yeah.
the rivers. Although the sea level natin ay mataas na ang sea level kasi natatabunan na ng
Mm-hmm.
tubig yung mga islands.
Yes.
But because we are in the Pacific Rim of Fire,
Yeah.
puro ano yan, vulkan doon sa underneath the
Yeah.
sea and ocean.
Yeah.
At saka tuloy-tuloy na ito. Pag yanig ng mga October, nag-start na from Russia,
Yeah.
it will continue. At saka naghihintay na lang yan. So,
Yeah.
nangyari ang vision ko sa the big one in Manila. Because why? Building kasi nakikita ko doon eh. At
Yeah.
saka, ang building, sinasabi ko kay Gretchen,
Mm-hmm.
ay, nag-sink siya. So,
Yeah.
it means na ang building kahit anong taas, hindi siya like what we have seen in
Yeah.
Thailand na
Yeah. And I was thinking.
ito, nagsisink siya talaga.
Yeah.
Nagsisink sa cracks ng
Yeah.
earth.
Especially now with the typhoon in Luzon, I think
Yeah.
that the water is gonna soften the grounds,
Uh-huh.
right? And
Oo,
then it
at
makes
saka
sense.
liquefaction
It
yun.
makes
Tama
sense.
yung sabi ng
Yeah. It makes sense
Philbok.
what you're saying. Exactly.
Pero ang kung nag-sink siya talaga, tapos
Mm-hmm.
ang tubig galing sa crack ng lupa. So,
Yeah.
nag-purge talaga siya. So, hindi lang ito na overflowing galing sa
No.
ilog. So, it will not just overflow the water from because of the sea level is high and then there are a lot of rainfall. Not.
Mm-hmm.
Once they're also shaking down there, the water came from the crack. And I saw that in my end, and
Yes.
all of that building goes down to the ground.
Down.
So there is what we call in sa Philippine volcanologists, the liquefaction. Ang sabi nila, there will be liquefaction. And I test that to the vision that I see, and I draw it. And then she asked me, what time? Because I say there's no preparation in the Philippines. Why are you not preparing? Why are you not? If you belong there to the cracks, you should just stay away from the creeks. If there's typhoon, stay away from there in the one called in the what do you call that, Gretchen? If you belong to that area where the sinkhole is, so you have to
move higher, move to other places.
Map, so you save yourself. Because she asked me what the vision is. Will it occur in the night or in the morning or in the afternoon?
So you said afternoon, right?
Very important because science cannot predict it.
No.
But I will tell you the vision, it will occur with still the daylight. At saka maybe hapon. Because if it's morning, it will take time for people to prepare after the building sinks, right?
Yeah.
So, but there is one, madilim na kagad. So, blackout. Tsaka I hear people cry.
Scream,
That's before the time that we have this flooding of that kills a lot of people. This one, there's a lot of crying. This one there's a lot of crying because people are burned alive. In Manila.
Exactly.
Not in the landslide. It's the big one. It's the big one.
The big one. Okay.
And then the rescue, even though Manila is so prepared for the rescue, I tell you, it will work. Your drill won't even work. You know why? Because the people are already down there burned. And because it's so dark, it's the nighttime because it occurred in
Yeah.
the afternoon and nighttime. They cannot be retrieved. The people just die there down
Mm-mm,
there,
mm-mm, mm-mm.
and then
So we
you
just
know
so we
they're
have to make
crying and
sure.
they die.
Mhm. So we
So
have yeah. Yeah, so we have to make sure we have a flashlight always, right? Maybe
yeah, that's
maybe a
important.
whistle, maybe a
Kasi
life
hindi natin
vest.
ma-predict. Maybe they will
No,
survive.
yeah, maybe not.
They need to
Mm.
have a flashlight. They have some form of, hindi na din natin alam kung, kasi they
Yeah,
have need water, they have to food in their backpack,
exactly.
ganon. So, kasi hindi
Yeah,
natin ma-predict na kung
no.
makasurvive yung tao, pero sa akin, it's
Or when it
hard.
happens,
Hard.
even. Yeah,
It's hard if they can survive it. You know,
yeah,
but just buried kasi masuffocate sila totally. So the
yeah.
drill mo na even work, the you
No,
know, and whatever, himala na lang kung ano sila,
yeah,
survive sila.
yeah.
So I also keep praying that the vision will not
Mhm.
happen if you prepare
Yeah,
the
exactly.
people there, because this is the reason why we Zoom, because we want
Yeah,
to tell the people how to prepare, because the
yes.
vision is like that, so we don't scare people.
No,
Just want people to prepare because we are
exactly.
helping humanity.
Exactly. Exactly, alerts, everything. And why do you think so many calamities are happening right now? Why?
It's because of the location of the Philippines,
Yes, Ring of
and of course
Fire.
the behavior of the people. They have been abused the nature,
Yeah,
mother nature, for too long.
yeah,
Because sana yung ano, we are really given God's given beautiful
yeah,
forest, and then
exactly.
natural resources, so beautiful, but we just abuse them. So maybe it's
Mm-hmm.
also the corrupt politicians
Yeah,
that
yeah,
did not pay attention. The
yeah,
greed there, the greed na gustong yumaman, walang
yeah,
satisfaction in expense of the people.
exactly.
Oh,
And let's not.
they don't care kung mamatay ka
Yeah,
diyan,
yeah,
wala
no.
silang pakialam. So,
Yeah,
you know what? Being being makabayan a little bit, can help. If you have the feelings of
yeah,
helping humanity, that's more important. Kasi
yeah,
kailangan yun ng tao.
yeah,
They need help.
yeah. And let's not forget our Filipino spirits, the Bayanihan,
Oo,
right?
bayanihan na lang yung mga tao
we
ngayon. They
have
have
to
to have
we
their
have to
open
show that
spirit.
spirit. We have to show that spirit because we are so resilient. We are
Uh-huh.
helping out each other. Look what happened in Cebu. We already are helping our people before the aid came, right, from the officials.
So we are in the beginning of November
Yeah,
ngayon.
beginning.
So there are more things to happen.
Yeah.
Kasi yung supermoon natin means
Yes. It
it
activated everything.
nagpahiwatig rin yan ng earthquake.
Yeah.
The big
And the
one is
vibration
this
of the
one.
earth, the vibration of the earth is also rising.
Uh-huh. Yes. So it is just like telling the people you still have time.
Yeah.
If you did not prepare for the worst of that deluge that happened in Cebu,
Yeah.
you will have to learn the lesson to have less
Yes.
casualty.
Yeah.
Please evacuate early
Yeah.
if you are residing near the creek.
Yes.
At kung may big one na, there is also the sign of the big one, kung
Mm-hmm.
get yourself from the area.
Yeah.
You can Google map if you are really located in the area
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
of the danger. May
The
ano siya,
fault lines.
fault
Yeah.
line. So,
Yeah. And yeah. Okay.
okay, so ang ano yun, uh, lahat ito unimaginable, right? When we started talking
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
this
It's like in
October,
movies. It's like in movies.
No one
It's like
believe it,
it's
right? When it
yeah.
happened, we don't believe.
No.
We can't believe that. Why Cebu? Why Cebu? Okay, Gretchen, why
Yeah.
Cebu? You think because what is the effect? Why Cebu? Because Cebu is progressive. Progressive sila na
Mm.
city, point of the south. Kasi doon ang mining at deforestation because mayaman
Ah.
Cebu. So, ang reason
Okay.
because of they have the, what do you call that, terrace na bahay doon sa bukid. Sinira nila yung
Mm.
bukid. They have, and
Oh,
because of
okay.
progress,
I think
they made
that's
their own
why.
city
Okay.
in the
Yeah.
mountains. At I think it's the, what do you call that, terasa,
Ah.
uh, Monte Terasa yata yun. Monte Terasa. So they
Yeah.
also have mining, they also have Kalbo ng Kagubatan. So they have big
Okay.
houses there sa kapatagan ng
Yeah.
Cebu. So remember, the
Mm-hmm.
progress of the people is the downfall of the kalikasan. So
Ayun.
you abuse the kalikasan for the
Yeah.
subdivision, and then it will pay back. So why Cebu?
Yeah.
Mining and deforestation. Ngayon,
Mm-hmm.
if Luzon will the new what's the new
Okay.
typhoon that's coming? The typhoon, the new typhoon, that super
Mm-hmm.
typhoon coming in Luzon. So if they also destroy Sierra Madre, what will happen?
The typhoon,
Kalbo.
this one. Um,
So
Yuan.
it's all
The
about
Yuan.
that. Mm-hmm.
The Yuan.
Oh, okay. Yun, buan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
Uwan
Yeah.
yata, Uwan, yeah. So it has international name, but we just call the
Yeah.
Philippine Uwan, yeah, Uwan. So what
Yeah.
do you think
Okay.
about Uwan? Uwan is something to look at because I'm
Yeah.
seeing
Yuan. Yuan. Yuan.
the deluge
Yeah.
in my vision, both the earthquake and the deluge. So it will
Yeah. Let's
happen.
call it
There
Yuan.
will be deluge, the
Yeah.
breaking up of a bridge.
Yeah.
That kung may balita
Yeah.
na ano talaga yung then sa akin yon, sa akin yung prediction kasi yun na nakita ko eh. The bridge,
Mm-hmm.
big bridge.
The
Hindi
bridge.
lang yung basta
Yeah.
mga ano lang na bridge. Yung talagang malalaking bridge, mahahaba.
Okay.
It broke.
Okay.
So, ganon katindi. Ganon katindi ang dilubyo
Yeah.
o
Yeah.
combination ng
If
tsunami.
and if the Tau volcano or the Canlaon further erupts, and that's also science, right?
Yeah.
We have to
The
look at
sign of the
that.
volcanoes is, if they erupted the volcano, it means our
Yeah.
earthquake underneath.
Yeah.
And
The
the
ground is
tremors
already
are
moving,
still
it's shaking.
shaking until
Yeah.
now, until it will
Yeah.
reach the maximum, and then the
Boom.
islands will go into
Yeah.
split. Yun
Yeah.
na, kung the islands is going to split, we don't have the Philippines
No.
anymore. So, I hope not, kasi
Yeah, me
yun
too.
lang ang makikita ko. I hope we will survive, but I hope
Yeah.
really that the Philippines can still survive.
Yeah.
Kasi if the islands will split, ano nang mangyari diyan?
Yeah. Exactly.
So we have a different. We're not only 7,000. Baka mag
Yeah.
8,000, 8,000 or islands na archipelago. We don't know, or we will
Yeah.
have less islands because they will go down
Yeah.
and will sink.
Yeah. Okay.
So we just hope
Yeah.
na.
Exactly. Hope for the best that it doesn't happen the way you see it.
Mhm. So
Yeah.
what
Thank
can you
you.
advise if
Yeah. What's your
aside from
advice?
prayer,
Exactly.
we're praying for it. So
Yeah.
what will the people do? It's a
Yeah.
call for the
Yeah.
politicians
Surrender.
to help the
Surrender and
people to
pray. That's all
prayer.
we can do. Yeah.
And then don't wait until it comes.
Yeah.
The being proactive. You have to do
Proactive.
some
Yeah.
preparation before casualty arrives.
Yeah.
Okay? Kawawa ang mga
For
tao kasi
sure.
they don't have preparation.
No.
So they should have been evacuated before the Typhoon Tino comes.
Yeah.
And then they have moved their sana hindi ganong kadami.
Mm-hmm.
So what else can you add to our conversation?
Nothing. Just stay in unity, surrender.
Mm-hmm.
Positive thoughts, I would say.
At saka sa mga OFW na, they are
Yeah.
trying to travel,
Yeah.
maybe this is not the right time
The
to
right
travel.
time to go. Exactly.
Especially we are waiting. A lot of typhoons will come in December time.
Yeah.
They really come because
For
there is a
sure.
change of the
Sadly.
season when the
Yeah.
cold meet the hot. So
Yeah.
daming mga talaga sa tropical area, daming
Mm-hmm.
mga bagyo na darating. So
Yeah.
I
Okay.
don't know. I will not talk about the plane crash anymore because
No.
the plane crash is something to do with the sun too.
With the sun, with
So
the solar flares.
ano niya,
Yeah.
solar flares.
Solar flares. Yeah.
Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, marami ring mga bulalakaw na huhulog,
Yeah.
because there are changes in our
Yeah.
Earth. There are also changes in the
Earth.
universe. Ang mga magnetic field ang tawag dyan. So
Yes.
sabi niya ni Rudy Baldwin, hindi niya ma-explain ang enerhiya. So that is what
No.
we call Rudy. That is what we
Yeah.
call
Weird energies.
layers. Pag ang
Weird
sun,
energies
medyo
lately.
ang tipik-tipik na ng bolang higante.
Yeah.
The sun is a big ball of fire. Pag ang
Mm-hmm.
tipik-tipik niya, kasi magnet yan eh.
Yeah.
Magnet ng lahat ng mga planeta. Solar, we are attracted to the sun. We're going in the orbit.
Yeah.
So kung may konting tipik-tipik lang yan ng solar flare,
Exactly.
affected ang mga flight ng mga eroplano kasi they also fly with the gravity. Na
Yeah.
with the pull of gravity. Ang pull of gravity kasi naglilift
Mm-hmm.
ang airplane. So dapat ganun lang siya.
Yeah.
Once kung wala na konting solar flares,
Yeah.
nahulog yung matipik-tipik
Mm-hmm.
ng buhalang sun. So
Yeah.
ang kapit niya sa himpapawid ay
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Mm-hmm.
get loose din siya sa pull of gravity.
Yeah.
Kasi ang Earth natin may gravity. So
Yeah.
lahat
Exactly.
na fly dito kailangan, at saka ang source ay sun.
Yeah.
So pag may problema doon, kaya minsan
Yeah.
tingnan mo maraming bulalakaw na huhulog since millennia.
Yeah.
Because of the pull of gravity, they get
Yeah.
out of the orbit and
Yeah.
nahulog dito sa.
Yeah. Exactly.
So ganon
Mm-hmm.
ang wala siya sa function ng airplane. The airplane engine
No.
is
It's
perfect.
perfect. Yeah.
And
So,
marami lang plane crashes.
yeah. Do you have any final messages for?
So the Filipinos are usually they are very religious people. Tapos they always call for for
Yeah.
God's help everywhere. You can see in social media, they
Yeah.
will say, pray for the Philippines. We pray,
Yeah.
but we have to do some actions.
Proactive.
We have proactive, bago
Yeah.
dumating. We have to prepare. Ano bang pinaprepare nyo? Wag lang sa, procession. They do the procession, they pray. But, it's good to believe in miracles. Na malusaw yung bagyo. But always think about practicality in life. Hindi lahat nangyayari yung prayers natin. Kasi we want miracles, but we have paano kung dumating. So we have to be prepared. So ang vision lang namin dito, psychics, we want to share kasi lahat naman tayo may third eye. Kaya lang sa akin siguro bata pa na develop na.
It's open na.
So nahulog kasi ako nung bata pa ko sa
you fell.
So nila, it can also trigger to open your third eye kung nahulog kami. Noon sa kapitbahay namin, nanonood pa kami ng TV doon sa kapitbahay namin. So, nung
Mm-hmm.
umakyat-akyat kami do'n sa malapit sa bintana,
Yeah.
nahulog ako. Kaya nawala talaga ng aking
Mm-hmm.
consciousness noon. So, 'yun ang
Okay.
sabi ng mother ko kung bakit na-trigger na
Okay.
open ang
Mm-hmm.
third eye ko. But I don't believe I was really born and destined.
Yeah. Yeah.
'Cause that's what I believe. Kasi
Okay.
konting science, konting talagang
Yeah. A mix.
spiritual.
Yeah. Yeah,
But,
exactly.
'yun ang ano ko kay
Mm-hmm.
ano, I will believe in God, of course. We believe in
Yes,
the
of course. Yeah.
Trinity, and we
Yeah.
believe in good works.
Mm-hmm.
And we believe in Jesus, pero yung
Yes.
ano namin, we believe in all the
Yeah.
Catholics, faith
Mm-hmm.
in
Mm-hmm.
the saints and the
Exactly.
Blessed Mother Mary.
Yeah.
So, yun lang
Yeah. Okay.
siguro maano
Yes. Yes, this is it.
yes,
Thank you. Thank
yes.
you for this conversation. I hope
Okay.
it brought more awareness to
Mhm.
Filipino people.
Yes.
Yeah, let's close it off.
I'm thankful for this time.
Yeah.
Thanks to you that you give time for this conversation and
Yes, of
this
course.
meeting to happen. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay. I wish you a very pleasant day
And
left.
you too, yeah. And
Okay.
you're in Belgium, I'm in the United
Yeah.
States. Okay, in Georgia.
Yeah. Time
Um,
difference.
okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's quit here. Um. Have a nice day further. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.